To fix the problem where you cannot hear a chime on your Blink Video Doorbell, as you can see right here, if I press on the button, there's no sound. And we can fix that easily by opening a Blink app, then wait a moment until it's loaded and click on the three dots right here and move to device settings. From there we'll be able to find the audio settings, and now inside make sure that you have a speaker volume app and the ding-tone volume app as well. Save your changes and then click on the doorbell button like this, and then we'll need to wait a few moments. It can take even around 10 minutes until the settings are applied, but after that you'll be able to hear it. So in this case it still needs to save those settings, so I can wait. So let's just wait, and I will try to speed up the video until it's fixed. Okay, so as you just heard, the problem is fixed. Now we can hear our doorbell. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.